So alright my peeps, so I was on TikTok today and I saw a funny live. So youth or men rather they on live and some people are telling them to go feed dog and then they run out feed dog. They wanted lion and tiger and universe, all kind of gift they wanted on TikTok to go save the dog. Not to save the dog per se, but maybe I can watch it on itself and just laugh and enjoy. Just I think this one, bad words in a hit. I remember, but be cautious watching this one. And I'll see you at the end of the video.
Man, sir, we are trying to get the chicken. We are trying to get the chicken. We are run down. I want chicken.
Fella. Yeah, you would really appreciate it. Look, chat. I'm in the scene now. Respect for the donor. DJ Dave. Class, eh? Smarty Paniapa. Portland, Jamaica.
Yes,
We still have feel it before we reach to our biggest storm. You don't look good, none at all, girlfriend. None at all. To how me I hear everything I go on.
Me I say it do damage already and it not even reach. I say, can you imagine when it reach?
You understand? Because all around the avenue we see coast mash up.
My God.
Yeah, man, run a turtle be a rock and pull and every pin from every corner.
I miss you the water down a bunga plane and come up on the road down the road.
Yeah, man, some play water rise up. Because they say surgeon I see.
How many people out of shelter?
Yeah, man, good amount of people, man. But in a full still, you know. But people in there.
How when they say it like make landfall?
Tonight, 1 o'clock, me and them I say go straight till tomorrow.
My God. She come like a thief in 1990.
Yeah, them I say this Wicked and Gilbert.
You can imagine because remember say when we young them I tell we about Gilbert now we never experienced Gilbert. Right. So you can imagine.
Because Yellow tell me say when Gilbert passed there, you can stay from Manchineel and see over Kensington, you know.
Nah,
I say this Wicked.
Nah,
you can save you reach. See, I'm a veteran here, so you can save your house up and reach see you here.
Come on, when the American passport.
Yeah.
So. Until you left, you start realizing. You know, say, yeah, it's sweet, though. Yeah, it's sweet, man. Yeah, it's sweet, man. Yeah, it's sweet. Otherwise, the place looking nice and, you know, that's how I look at sprinkling, nothing much. Nothing for we talk about up here nice, up St. Thomas govern. St. Thomas govern, man.
Rain and breeze, man. 2 nights now we not sleep, man. Ain't waking no, man. I feel look out of way, okay? I don't know whether I can change. And you can say it's time to come a man, you know. You see? But I never see that while ago. I'm sure I'm going to see that one day. You know.
Fuck Lord. Take up for yourself, people. Thank you very much. No, we're not the Arima, my boss. We're not the Arima. No. Like the Arima of the mood party right now. Big up on yourself, people. You understand? And Jamaica with them, man. Jamaica with them. Jamaica with them. Indiana, big up yourself, Indiana, USA, big up. Melody TV, nothing wrong with it, you know. Kingston. But them say them build some and Kingston. What mean by what's the point? When they are we hard and we are going easy, and we just a deal. You see me? Take up on yourself. Puerto Rico. When me I do this song, me don't speak Spanish. When me I do this song, me stay in Jamaica. You come Jamaica. Big up North Carolina. Me they are Kingston, Jamaica. Go suck out your mother big pussy girl, Chinese here. Nyam out your mama, lick out your mama. Lick out your big pussy mama girl. How your man black?
Alright, so today what? Today is October 27th and it's now 8:38 p.m. Them say Melissa I make landfall later on tonight. Me just pray to God so everybody just stay safe, you know. Nobody sacrifice your life if you go nail down this and nail down that. Cause see blackout. One man in a previous video, him go on roof, on leather and it blow down. Nearly kill himself. You understand? So nobody risk your life for house and car and vanity and stuff like that. Just be safe.